Welcome everybody to the School of Graphic Design. I am Biggie Mwanza and this is the beginner's course Blender. So we're going to look at the interface of Blender and the basic uses and how we can apply some knowledge to real world. We're going to use the real world models that are going to help you to apply the knowledge you're going to learn. I hope you're going to enjoy this course and I'm looking forward to see you. And yes, this is Blender, the beginner's course. Let me see you inside.